In the next few minutes, I'm going to ask you 6 French vocabulary questions that start at the easiest level of A1 and go all the way to the hardest, C2. And if you can answer all of them correctly, it means your French is excellent. So let's go ahead with question 1.
Il fait trop froid. Ferme la fenêtre.
What does
Fenêtre.
mean in this sentence? Window, screen, or basket? The correct answer is window.
Fenêtre.
Means window in French. And our sentence means it's too cold, close the window. If you have answered this question correctly, you already know French at level A1. Now, let's go on to the second question, which is slightly harder.
Hier soir, j'ai fait un rêve très intéressant.
What is the meaning of rêve in the above sentence? Is it dish, joke, or dream? The answer is dream. Rêve means dream in French, and the meaning of the whole sentence would be, yesterday night, I had a very interesting dream. If you've made it this far, your French level is probably around A2. Now let's see an even harder, B1 level question.
Le bruit du voisin nous dérange vraiment.
What does
Déranger.
mean? Does it mean to disturb, to mislead, or to refresh? The answer is to disturb.
Déranger.
In French, means to disturb. And the sentence means, the neighbor's noise is really disturbing us. If you got this question right, congratulations! You have level B1, French. Now let's start making things really hard and see a level B2 question.
La triche pendant les examens était tellement répandue que la directrice a dû réprimander les enseignants.
What does the word
Répandu.
mean? Does it mean late? Does it mean widespread? Or does it mean shabby? The correct option is widespread.
Répandu.
Means widespread in French. So the sentence would mean cheating in exams was so widespread that the principal had to reprimand the teachers. If you were able to answer this question correctly, your French is quite good, possibly level B2. Now we move on to a much more difficult question, that is level C1.
Le programme de création d'emplois vise à enrayer le chômage chez les jeunes.
What does the word
Enrayer.
mean? To curb, to portray, or to empower? The answer is to curb.
Enrayer.
Means to curb. And the whole sentence means the job creation program aims to curb unemployment among young people. If you already knew this super hard word, you can rejoice, because your French is great, probably at level C1. Now, get ready, because it is time for a level C2 French word that only the best experts can understand.
Le paysan impavide, tint bon, tandis que les loups le cernaient.
Can you understand the meaning of
Impavide.
Is it unlucky, pure, or fearless? The correct answer is fearless.
Impavide.
Means fearless. So the whole sentence in English would be, the fearless villager stood his ground as the wolves surrounded him. If you have got this far and answered this final question correctly, congratulations! You have excellent French skills, and you can consider yourself level C2. Whatever score you've got from this test, make sure you learn the words you saw in this video, because they are all very important words that you will need to become proficient in French. Feel free to share your score in the comments, and tell me what you think about this video. And until next time, keep learning and growing.